Hi, I'm meteorologist Marshall McPeek. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration has come out now with the 2022 hurricane forecast for the season. We're looking at least 14 to 21 named storms. That gets us most of the way through the names available for this year. 6 to 10 of those are likely to be not tropical storms, but full-on hurricanes. And we may even have 3 to 6 of those that become major hurricanes, which means they would be Category 3 or higher. Now, all of the categories are out there and they all get names, right? All of the storms begin to get names. Some are male names, some are female names, and they try to reflect some of the cultures in the Atlantic basin. So everything from Alex down to Gaston and Richard to Sherry to Walter, all of the names are available this year for 2022. But every year, there are some names that get retired, and that's because the storms get very, very strong. So we started naming in 1950. Since then, 94 names have been retired. Those 94 storms were strong enough that they're one of a kind, and so we don't get to see that name again. Everything from Agnes to Wilma. But there's one letter that's been retired more than any other, and that's I. So Ida was retired in 2021, but Iota and Irene and Iris and Ingrid and all of these names with I storms. And that's because when we get to the 9th storm of the year, it tends to be in mid to late August or September, and that's when the water is the warmest and the storms can get the strongest. So by the time we get to I, that's when some of those storms can be pretty brutal. We'll see what happens this year. The storm season begins June 1st and lasts through November.